twice. First and foremost, he shot up day one. So I dragged him down the fucking chimney and he bit me again. But I got gauntlets. I got welding gauntlets.
Well, we teaching him a few times.
But he fucking bit me through gauntlets. The vicious snake. Anyway, that was day one.
Welding gloves.
So eventually, I made this vivarium into chimney breast.
Oh, where they like?
In case he fucked off up chimney again.
No, but I made him an home, a special home, and it were a perfect snake home, and it were in chimney breast
So you bonded.
ish, because she weren't fucking bothered. She got the snake, she wanted snake, but I had to look after the fucking thing. But anyway, I made him this vivarium, and it were in chimney breast, and we're gonna light in it. It was perfect.
Silent.
Ah,
But
it were about.
I know what you mean.
It were about 4 foot long, 18 inches high, and it were in chimney breast. With a light on, so it were warm. And I put him, you feed them mice. So I put this white mouse in, alive. You bought mice, put this white mouse in, and this mouse got quite friendly with snake. So fucking snakes there. Keep giving it this. Fucking mouse is there. Fucking in front of snake. I'm thinking fucking like it's snap, it's food, and it's not fucking eating it. So day after day.
So they bit it off.
Oh, big style. So, day after day, I'm sat in, quite looking forward to fucking snake, woofing mouse. So I'm sat there in front of fucking tank and fucking mouse there, cleaning it, said, doing whatever they do, and fucking snakes here. Nothing. So I'm thinking, what? Can't be hungry. Anyway, eventually, it was quite accidental, but I went in one night and there's fucking mouse. 2 legs hadn't got, and tail, and fucking snakes got it. So snakes enjoy mouse. And it wolf mouse, they do, don't they, live like. So it ate mouse. So I thought, that's it then. I've seen what I've got to see, and that's it. That's all there is to it. I'll have another drink about.
Excuse me.
Carry on with your tail.
Well, all right then. I'll carry on with
Can
tail.
we have another 6 beers, please? Can we have another 6 beers, please?
Oh, well done.
Cheers, bud.
Well done.
Right, sorted.
So,
Right, back to mouse and snake.
so I get another mouse for it, but they only ate like once a flood, whatever. So I put this other mouse in, but by this time I thought, well, I'm pissed off. I've seen it happen, so I'm not. So I went in this next night thinking, I'll have a look. Fucking snake had gone.
Mouse is that, mate?
Where the fuck's snake gone? So I lift it. We got a flap above chimney breast. Lifted the flap up like. I thought, fucking hell, snakes up chimney again. Tails there. I could see tail.
I like that chimney.
Like
doesn't
that.
So I thought, fuck this, I'm not going to get bit again. So I rang Steve. I said, Steve, come on, fucking snake's going up chimney again.
Who's this Steve?
Mate of mine.
Snake Steve.
So he says, what's that want me to do? I says, I want you to come over. I'll grab snake, because I've got gauntlets. I'll grab snake. As he comes down, chuck fucking cover on it. Over his head again. Fucking hell, so I'm not bothered about that. I says, Steve, come on, nobody else is going to do it. So he comes all like from Swinton to Maltby. So he comes over from Swinton. So I'm there with gauntlets on, fucking welding gauntlets, big thick welding gauntlets. So I see it's there. Lifted fucking flap up. Still there, like after an hour, whatever. Snake's still there, stuck up fucking chimney, straight up, and tail's there. So I said, I'm gonna pull it now. So I pulls fucking snake down. He chucks fucking thing, misses it. So fucking snake's there. Got me again. Fucking 3 times I've been bit with this fucking snake. Oh, it was a fucking nightmare. But Benji, what funniest?
Cheers.
Benji, what funniest? Honestly, Jacob, Benji, the goer, he what funniest. We had this party at our house, and it was like I'd got my own garage at the time. I'd got my own garage, so I invited all garage guys up to house, and this Swinton Motor Centre. You might know it. But anyway, quite a big garage. I used to take all my MOTs up there. So he got a kid working for him called Harry. And Harry was a train driver, but he worked part-time for the Swinton Motor Centre. So Harry, what was his name? No, I know Harry.
We don't fucking know.
Owner at garage. Anyway, I invited him up, owner at garage, and he brought Harry up. So Harry's there, and he says, "You got to go, Tanya." I says, "Benji." I says, so he says, "Bring him down to the house." I says, "Oh, our last went like that." Her goer. But bear in mind, it was her goer. But she said, I says, "No, she's not like that." "Oh, bring her down." Pissed like, we're all pissed. So I says, "Go on then, I'll bring him down." So fucking Harry, he wore glasses. So I brings Benji down, and they sleep at night. So I brings Benji down, and Benji's giving it tired. He was tired. So I brings Benji down. I says, "This is Benji." So Harry gets down. I've got to show you. Harry gets down, glasses on. He gets down, and he's giving it with his hand like this. So fucking Benji sets off and fucking twats him with horns. He twats him on his forehead. But his fucking glasses, they were smashed. But after that, fucking Benji, it was so elated with twatting old Harry. He went, "We got a fucking chase plant." Something like that, he called.
Chase plant.
So fucking Benji proceeded to, "I fucking hate this chase plant." So I'm pissing myself laughing at fucking Harry. So I'm pissing. And then Janet walks in, fucking wide. "What? What's happening?" I said, "Benji just twatted Harry." And he's a bit hungry now. So he's like, fucking chase plant. Well, she fucking set off to me. She laid into him and he's a bit ugly. Fucking hell.
Why
Boy, we're funny.
fucking hell, why didn't you sell that story to Hollywood or something like this?
Oh, honestly, Jacob, it was straight out at
Tell me
home.
about going.
Benji were fucking funny. Oh. I mean, that was one occasion. Second occasion, before I put him on tether,
When he hung his son.
before obviously, we got a dog. And he was a fucking big mastiff dog.
Massive, no, massive.
Mastiff.
Goes a hunt.
And I don't know how it happened, but we ended up putting Benji, a fucking dog, in closet outside. So I can't remember occasion, but I remember Janet ringing me at work. She says, "Tony, you better come home." I said, "What's up?" She says, "Benji, what did they call fucking dog? I forget what they called dog. But she said they've had a scrappy closet." So I was home from work. Not only they had a fucking scrapping closet, she'd tied fucking either dog or Benji. She'd tied him to fucking drop pipe that was from cistern.
Oh no.
Oh, for fuck's sake. There were water all over fucking place. Fur, and I don't know whether it's from dog or fucking goat, I don't know. But there were fur all over fucking place. Oh, what? It was like World War II in fucking closet. So I ended up fucking separated.
Why did we have dogs and goats
Oh.
fighting in World War II?
Benji he was funny. Funny as fuck. Really were funny. Oh, fucking hell. Did I have some times with Benji?